Is financing a machine tool really that easy? And in as little as a day? Let's find out.
Asset Finance Northampton, we're a finance broker. We're based quite locally here in Northampton and we're part of a larger organisation, so we're a franchise. So we're a generalist broker in asset finance. However, I do specialise in engineering and manufacturing. It all depends how complex it is, unfortunately. But generally speaking, with something like this particular one with Matt, usually we can turn them around in a day, 2 days. As long as we have all the information we request, it's quite quickly. So the basic information we require will be your trading accounts and your bank statements. And we'll also have a write-up in terms of the business. In Matt's case, we know him, we've known him for a while, so we've got all that background information. Well, there are other options. I mean, Matt's case, deposit, fantastic. It's an old machine, it's a Part X, we love that. Generally speaking, the funder will expect to have at least a 10% deposit down plus the VAT as deposit. Some instances though can do no deposit, but they will still have to pay their VAT up front. That's me, that's my job, that's what I do. So it's the duck syndrome. It'll smooth on top and I paddle away underneath like crazy to get the deal done. Asset Finance Northampton, it will come to me, you bring up the number and it will come through to me, and I will then obviously understand what you're looking to purchase, how you're looking to purchase it, have a quick discussion, and then we can start the process. So we have a range of funders, and in our world we split them to Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3 funders according to the complexity of the deal, your credit worthiness and obviously the bit of machinery or equipment that you're purchasing. In Matt's case, he's a Tier 1 funder we go to because he's a good credit customer, it's a great machine that he's purchasing, so it's always going to be a Tier 1 funder. Yes, it's a fallacy that going to a broker costs you more. No, it doesn't. Actually, we search the market depending on obviously the criteria that we're looking for the best funder on the table, and we can get you favourable rates. Because we have buying power, we have about 150 people in our franchise group, which means we have a lot of business going to the funders and the funders want our business, so we can get preferential rates. There's a lot of funders that will still actually fund for new start businesses. As long as the business model is sound and they've got experience, there's a number of funders and Tier 1 funders that will fund for new starts. There's a number of products on the market, Lindsay. We can look at HP, we can look at leasing, we can look at finance leasing. It all depends what your requirements are as a business and for the actual equipment that you're looking to purchase. But this is the discussion I will have with you to ascertain the right product for you. Yes, we would get them a better deal. So we would come to you. It's important that we come and see the site, understand the management team, and once we've got that information available to us, then we can actually go to the broker and be more informed in how we actually put a proposal to them.
So there you have it. Quick and easy, simple or complex finance in as little as 24 hours. Contact Asset Finance Northampton for more information.